Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix gaming apps not showing on the home screen or app screen on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Gaming Hub app and click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in Gaming Hub settings, click on Show Game App. If you want to fix gaming app not showing on the home screen or app screen, click on In Gaming Hub and the home screen and app screen. After select this feature, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix gaming app not showing on the home screen or app screen on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.